Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is fruits, subject EVS class first. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to first identify and name common fruits, second recognize fruits by their color, taste and shape. Third, understand the health benefits of eating fruits. Fourth, develop listening, speaking, and participation skills. Teaching aids. Real fruits or plastic fruit models, flashcards with fruit pictures, fruit basket. Warm up. Teacher will greet students and show them a mystery fruit basket. Ask, what do you think is inside this basket? Teacher will pull out one fruit at a time and let children shout out the names. Next, introduction. Display fruits like apple, banana, mango, orange, grapes, etc. Teacher will ask guiding questions. What color is this fruit? Is it sweet or sour? Do you eat do we eat it raw or after cooking? So these are the questions teacher can ask. Next, development. So first activity is fruit sorting game in which teacher will divide students into two groups. Teacher will give them mixed fruit flashcards. Group 1 sorts fruits by color. Group 2 sorts by taste, sweet or sour. So for group 1, which is to sort fruit by color, you can make these cutouts and place on the table and ask children. First, place the cutouts in the pictures like this, and then ask students to place the cutouts on the paper sheets of the same color fruit. Like red is for apple, so students will place like this, pear like this, then this is the carrot like this, lemon like this, grapes like this. So I have made the here is carrot, and sorry, is it's a fruit lesson plan, so you can make strawberry for this, and for lemon you can make banana. So instead of carrot and lemon you can make strawberry and banana or any other fruit color you want to. Okay, so the next one is the group 2 will sort by taste, sweet or sour. So you can stick like this topic, sweet and sour, and then you can give some fruits cutouts, small like this, and then you can ask students to sort out by the taste. So mango sweet, grape sweet, banana sweet, strawberry sweet, pineapple sweet, and cherry sweet. Now sour will be oranges and lemon. So like this. So these two activities you can done in your class. Now next activity 2, fruit rhyme and actions. Teacher will sing a short fruit rhyme. Example: I like to eat apples and bananas. Add clapping and jumping actions. Activity 3, guess the fruit. This is the blindfold game in which teacher will blindfold a child, give them a fruit to touch or smell. Students will guess the fruit name. Now discussion. So for the discussion, you should explain that fruits make us strong and healthy. They give us vitamins, keep us safe from sickness, and give us energy. So you can explain that these are the strong and healthy, and vitamins, they give us vitamins and keep us safe from sickness and give us energy, and more explanation you can give to the students. Next, or also and also you can show a chart with benefits of eating fruits. Last conclusion. So, for the quick recap, you can show flashcards and ask children to name fruits. Uh, then you can ask which fruit is your favorite. Encourage them to bring one fruit for fruit day tomorrow. And for the follow up activity, you can add on art and craft activity in which student can make a fruit basket collage with cutouts, and you can also do role play in which children pretend to be fruit sellers and customers in a fruit sellers and customers in a fruit market. So you can create a fruit market also. So this is the lesson plan of fruits for class KG or class 1. Thank you.